filming Japan on my iPhone. I'm going to 7-Eleven right now kasi nagre-request si Daddy ng oatmeal. Japan vibes talaga ngayon here in Fukuoka kasi maulan past few days and ang lamig. But the main difference between our 7-Eleven and 7-Eleven here is mas maraming ready on-the-go foods here ang 7-Eleven. Macaroni salad, octopus, broccoli, and basil. Pickled cucumber. Oh my God! Ito yung hinahanap ko. Tita, meron pa naman pala. Ubus lang pala lagi. Kasi dumating ako guys, nagre-refill sila. Chicken cutlet.
Yan na ngayon.
Chicken cutlet, cheddar cheese and sauce. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Therefore, bibiling ko to. Yes, sir! Yesterday, I tried chicken egg with teriyaki. So, yun, lasa parang adobo. And then, here yung mga breads. Ang kakaiba dito, they have parang pinaangat na panaderia. White chocolate croissant, Danish, all in plastic form. White Danish with chocolate, steamed cheesecake. Daddy, I'm a vlogger. So we're going to the Minohama station, guys. Mommy and hey guys, we're here na at Minohama. Ang lamig. Kasi may hahanapin kaming thrift store ulit. Walang kamat. Siyempre, nakaakbay kay mom. Oy, may nakaakbay na rin. Somebody's not happy.
Okay, left, right.
Too early, guys. Ang opening is 10:30 pa. We're here at Takayama in Minohama. At dahil early kami, magpa-family mart muna kami. So,
Show this. Matcha tiramisu from Family Mart.
Okay.
What? Tandaan nyo meron pinapabiling corned beef. Majority tsaka yung ano.
Bejori.
Kami yung gabi.
Corned beef. We were inside for 2.5 hours.
Credit card yung dapat
Guys, we're here now at the station. Gonna go to Fukuoka Tower. Guys, oh my gosh! Fukuoka Tower, pero ang lamig! Sobrang lamig! Ah, ang lamig! Pasok tayo sa mall, ang lamig! At may forma na. Yan ang mga forma namin, ang lamig. Pauwi na kami, guys. Sa hotel. Sabihin nila, gusto niyo pumunta sa Pepe? Pepe Hair Shop. I'm here with Daddy, guys, and I have 3 layers on. I have my outer jacket, I have my inner jacket, I have my dress, and then my t-shirt. And, oh my God, amoy pa. And a scarf. I'm here now with Daddy, and pupunta na kami ngayon sa Ryukaku, yung Anli. Manifesting one of those one day. Okay, Maambon. To eat dinner here at Ryukaku. Mag-aanli kami. Thank you for the treat, Daddy. That's the table na maraming nagluluto. Ito yung table na taga-kain lang. Yan, taga-bayad.
Put cheese yan. Sure tayo na parta na.
What's this?
Grabe
yun, guys. Grabe. Sobrang busog. Sobrang busog.
Super.
As in, hindi pa namin kinuha yung parang pinakamahal na option, no?
Yep.
Pero grabe, guys. Parang feel ko nalula ako sa dami.
Look, yan.
Sorry, I showed the vlog.
No, it's okay.
Tapos parang sige, kaya
Tapos
na ako.
nata-tense ka kasi may time limit.
Oo, guys, may time limit. So, sarap kumain. Biglang makita ko 30 minutes na lang. O, sige.
Order ulit.
Biglang 10 minutes na lang, wala na, dessert na, tapos na. So siguro yun yung ano, parang pinaka, kumbaga, para hindi sila malugi. Kasi ang bilis ng service. Order agad sa iPad, dating. So 1 per person lang yung dessert.
Hindi unli.
Hindi unlib. Pero still,
Worth it.
worth it. Thank you, Daddy. Oh my gosh, tita. Ang daming pinili. Paano kakasya sa bagahe yan? At least happy.
Ano, mami, bakit tumatawag?
I'm so tired. Malapit na kami sa hotel. Feel ko na-burn ko na lahat ng kinain ko kanina. As in. Pero ngayon, may 3 layers. Got me through. Naiinitan na ako ngayon. Yeah, let's see what I'll be doing pa tonight. I will probably be packing in the US.
お取り忘れにご注意ください。
Good riding vlog. So it's our last full day here in Japan. The way up sa room nila kuya to have some breakfast. And today our agenda is Ohori Park and Fukuoka Castle. Grabe. Laki ng mukha. This is my outfit for today. Let's make some breakfast.
Ating siningil. Ay, hindi per month. Per day, nalagay ko dito, ma'am. Oo, per day.
So guys, I'm here na downstairs and ako na naman ang unang sa baba. So since pupunta kami sa Ohori Park today in Fukuoka Castle, I'm expecting na magiging malamig. So naka long sleeves ako sa loob, tas I have this jacket pa. Yun lang pala. Mami, ganito mo na lang ako kasi hindi ako marunong. Hindi ako marunong magbike. This is the park. And ito lalakarin namin. Our kids playing, guys. Oh my gosh, uphill. So, may pupunta. The view. Guys, so ito palang kinaroroonan namin. Dito pala yung castle before. It's 36 meters above sea level. Guys, so we're here. And this is the base of the main keep of Fukuoka Castle. The base is 36 meters above sea level. And you can gaze over Ohori Park. To the west. It is known whether the keep was actually built here on site. This remains one of Fukuoka Castle's mysteries. Kodigo ko, guys. Yan yung Fukuoka Tower. Tas yan yung PayPay Dome kung nasa kami ng isang araw. It's my bro. Hey, mami, tinan mo. Papa-picture siya for the Instagram. Have lunch here. And ang balak ko kunin is this or that.
Mas may extra cheese.
Oh, sige. Self-service dito ang Daiso. We got in Daiso. Dami namin nabili. Guys, this is...
Here, the Fukuoka crossing, so diagonal. 2 diagonals.
Came from
Daiso.
Daiso. Dami naming binili.
We're going to GU and Uniqlo.
GU and Uniqlo. You're next.
Our last day.
Going up to our homeland.
Yeah.
Ang sarap ng weather dito, guys. Parang... Abusan natin. Sabi ko wala akong bibilin. Sabi namin puno na ang baggage. Can you say overweight? Gonna try the Ichiran. Tastes like ramenagi. Oh, hot. It's our last night here. Blush test. And I'm still here in Donkey. May binibili pa rin. Bakit? Weh! I'm looking for a certain type of sunscreen. Guys, hindi ako nakatiis. Guess where we're at? Sushiro. Konting plates lang naman yung kakainin ko, guys. Like 2
Really?
times. Guys, pinapanood ko na sila kasi ayaw pa nila umalis. 10:07 na. 11 sarado nito. Wala pang gustong umalis na. Ayun na. Oh, winner. May paalis. Table. Winner. Hey, eel. Bago nila guys, salmon with basil and cheese. Oh my god! Sarap! Panalo! Guys, craving satisfied.
Busog na busog.
Bosog!
Bochog.
Buti na lang, it's a 10 to 15 minute walk going home. Grabe talaga yung face ko dito, pero alam mo, guys, it's okay.
Nakala mo black.
Ito yung sikat na corned beef, guys.
Sarap. Ay, yung bread na yun. Sabi na rin.
It's yummy, guys. Parang siyang pure foods na may halong Argentina na lasa. Guys, look what we saw. So, I think it's like a food market. Nasabi ni Tita Lynn, maraming food. Grabe, bilog ng mukha ko. It's okay. Pag uwi, wala na yan. Mawawala na yan. Wow, guys, tingnan nyo. Oh my gosh. Mamaya. 100 to 200 pesos lang naman I'm going to get na rin. So, I'm going to get this one. I'm going to get this one. Berry. I think I'll just get peach pink. You know what eyeshadow to get, guys? Maybe I'll get this. Pink and beige. I'll try this face powder na cream, na clear lang. Dito rin naman, I'm going to try 3-in-1 eyebrow stick. Plum pink. Guys, since minsan na lang naman nandito, I'm gonna buy this kabuki brush na. Guys, walang kamatayan. Oh my gosh, guys. My favorite. So, guys. We're here na inside our departure and wala na ako masyadong ma-vlog.
May ba malapit sa atin?
Papilipilap?
Hindi.
Going home, guys. Bye, Fukuoka.